Hello everyone! Welcome to the short video about the basics of chess. My name is Anna Nuchina and today I will show you how each piece moves according to the rules. There is the chessboard and it has 64 squares. That's where the action happens. You can see letters and numbers on the chessboard. As the result, each square has a unique name. This square, its name C4. And another one, B7, for example. Now, let's meet pieces. There are 18 white and 18 black pieces. Let's see how they move. Pawns go in the front row, like little soldiers. Now, behind them are the big pieces. The first rocks in the corner, white rocks and black rocks. Knights next to them, white knights and black knights. Then the bishops, white bishops and black bishops. The queen goes on her color. The white queen goes on the white square. White queen on the white square. Black queen to the black square. And the king takes the last spot. White king and black king. Pawns move one step forward, but they can move 2 steps on their first turn, like that, or like that, like that, or like that, and they attack diagonally, just like that. Rocks move straight, up, down, and sideways as far as they want, like that, or like that, like that. Knight move like an L shape, like that, or like that, like that, and like that. And they are only ones who can jump over pieces. Bishops glide diagonally and never switch color, like that, like that, like that, and like that. The queen is super powerful. She moves straight and diagonal, any direction, any distance. Like that, and like that, like that, and like that. The king moves just 1 square in any direction, like that, like that, like that, or like that, or like that. Great job! Today I have shown you how the chess pieces are arranged at the beginning of the game and how they move. Thank you. Bye.